Ishika, come in.
Uh,
Have a seat.
Good evening, sir.
Have a seat and pull down your mask. You can remove your mask.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Ishika, tell me your place from where you belong to, about the historical background of Lucknow. Let me know about your strengths, your weaknesses. Tell me about your hobbies. And also tell me that your education qualification, how you're doing after class 12th.
So my name is Ishita Rana. I'm a resident of Lucknow, which is known as City of Nawabs. About its historic, there is a monument, Imam Bara, which people used to visit frequently as a foreign tourist also. About my native place, it's from Pithoragarh district of Uttarakhand. It's a district full of ornation of natural beauty and scenic view. It's a place full of adventures too. Coming into my education qualifications, I have passed 10th standard with 93.4% marks in 2018 and 12th standard with 89.2% marks in 2020. About my family background, my father is in government service and my mother is a homemaker. Now coming into my hobbies, these are dancing and acting.
Okay, Ishika, I want to know that why you started pursuing your higher education after class 12 and your aspiration for MNS. So you want to join MNS or you want to continue your higher education? Means I want to know your goal setting in your life. What you are planning? What's your plan in next 2-3 years in your life?
So my basic purpose is to join military nursing service because I'm very enthusiastic towards the field of army as I have got inspiration from my grandfather. He's an ex-serviceman in army, so he's one of the most important inspiration. And about my further education, I'm pursuing BSc from National PG College because I don't want to drop my year.
So I would like to know the details of your grandfather, as you mentioned that he has served for Indian Army. Yes. So can you tell me in detail that how he served for Indian Army?
Sir, he's in the Indian Army. He does job in HAL. He used to he was a mechanic there. So at the age
what was his rank? What was his regiment or branch? How he served for Indian Army? For how long he served for Indian Army?
So he served Indian Army for 52 years.
For 52 years, or till the age of 52?
Till the age of 52 years.
Okay.
Right, Ishita.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the work of an MNS officer?
So, ma'am, my work of MNS officer is to deal with patients with the as I'm a very jolly person, so I have that potential that I can deal with the patient very calmly and kindly, and I used to make some sort of entertainment for entertainment purpose also. So I think this job is best suited for me.
Okay. How did you prepare for this examination? What all you did, and for how long you were preparing for this?
I'm preparing from MNS since 1 year in Centurion Defense Academy at Indranagar branch. And besides this, I'm pursuing online classes of same Centurion Defense Academy, and I have get lots of knowledge about various fields of about current affairs and all. So it helped me a lot.
Okay. So you must have visited the Lucknow Cantonment and the Lucknow Command Hospital, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, few times.
Okay. Right. So,
Ishita, what are the bedside manners in terms of medical profession?
In terms of medical professions, so can you repeat the question?
What are the bedside manners in terms of medical profession?
Bedside manners.
Yeah.
So actually, I'm not getting the point which you are.
Okay. Now, if you listen to my next question,
Yes, sir.
you will get an idea. What is the most effective measure in healing of a patient? Proper diagnosis, proper medication with befitting potency of medicines, proper care and follow-up.
So I would like to opt option 3, proper care and follow-up.
Now, if all these things are correct,
Yes.
Then, what is the role of an MNS officer?
So first of all, an MNS officer should be very responsible towards her duty. So and besides this, she should also take care of the patient with very patiently. She should not be rude to him or her.
She should be comforting,
Yes.
and that is what exactly means by bedside manners.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay?
Sir. Yes, sir.
And a doctor as well as a MNS officer are expected to be an excellent persons in these two.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you remember, who was Florence Nightingale?
Florence Nightingale.
Yeah.
Sir, I have heard about her, but right now I'm not recalling it.
Okay. How would you feel reverting back to college life when you go to MNS college? What
sir,
is your expectation and what you would?
So it would be a great experience, and I haven't pursued any. I'm not, though I'm in a national PG, but due to lockdown and COVID-19, I wouldn't be able to attend the college session. So it would be a better experience for me there.
Because
And
once
I
you
would
come
do-
to MNS side, you will have to go through a college, and that college will be controlled by the army.
Yes,
Okay, medical.
yes.
That's what I mean.
Okay, Ishita, I would like to know the meaning of your name and also why do you want to join MNS?
So the meaning of my name is Wealth and Mastery. I want to join MNS as I have told you earlier that it's inspiration for me because I have to go in this field in army, and beside this, it's a job full of adventures. And as I have told you that I'm a very jolly person, and I love adventures too. As we got posted to many states, and we have to face so much of people. So I think it's best for me.
Okay, so you have completed your 12th from RLB. So
Yes.
as per my knowledge, RLB is that representing Captain Manoj Pandey also.
Yes.
So what motivation you got from Captain Manoj Pandey, PVC?
Yes, for sure. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey is the greatest motivation as he fought in Kargil War of 1999 very bravely, and because of his bravery, I want to. He's my greatest motivation.
So can you tell me that regiment he belongs to, and can you tell me about the tagline or the war cry of the regiment he belongs to?
I remember the regiment that is Gorkha regiment, and the war cry. War cry.
Okay, can you recall the last word that he said just before grabbing the Khalubar hills at Kargil?
It's, right now I'm not recalling. I know it earlier, but right now I'm not able
Yes,
to
yes.
recall it.
Okay, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
So my strengths are that I'm a person who can complete her task before the deadline, and also I love to motivate people. I love to entertain people. And about talking about my weaknesses, that I'm very devout about food, and I can't control about my fooding habits. That I used to grab a lot if I get, but I'll work on it.
Okay, Ishita, what is the main purpose of military nursing services?
The main purpose of military nursing services is to provide service for those who are in service. That is for serving Indian Army. About the treatments regarding the care which we took of them when during the wartime or when they are hurt. So,
And what is the equivalent rank of major in Indian Air Force?
Major in Indian Air Force. Sir, wing commander. No, sir. Squadron leader. Squadron leader.
Right.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Coming to the debrief part, right? So both of you need to prepare for the interview also, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
you need to work on your communication skills, both of you, right? And you are knowing about it, right? But you need to really sit down and work when it comes to the self-awareness part.
Okay, I will give you debrief individually one by one, starting from Ishita. Ishita, actually, general awareness is one of the vital area where you need to work.
Yes.
Like you mentioned name of your grandfather, but you are not aware about the where he worked or how long he worked, about the basic details of your grandfather. If you are mentioning in interview about your grandfather, then you should having the complete update of your grandfather. Same you are from RLB when I asked you question related to Captain Manoj Pandey, then you were not able to tell about the detail. So this is the common observation that I made, that your general awareness is the area where you need work.
Yes.
Secondly, reasoning abilities also. When I asked you why do you want to join MNS, but I was not convinced with the logic you gave. Okay, at least I was expecting 2, 3, 4 logics. Okay, you will bring that to why I want to join military nursing service. So I know that your written exam is approaching fast. Once you complete your written exam, immediately focus and attend interview sessions. Okay,
Yes.
will be conducted by all of us. So you need to brush up your all the interview skills.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Why MNS officer, the ladies are chosen? Just because of one reason. They are loving, they are comforting, and they have lots of patience. These are the basic qualities which are emitted, which are presented in a girl. Keeping that factor in mind, you are expected to take care of that. And as far as the Florence Nightingale is concerned, please go through that
Yes, sir.
as to who she was and what was her contribution towards the medical services. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Presently, whatever you have displayed, Ishita, up to a satisfactory level, and Anjali need to work hard. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
आज ही ज्वाइन करें भारत के अग्रणी डिफेंस कोचिंग संस्थान सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी को और हिस्सा बने भारत के सबसे बड़े MNS बैच का।
अगर आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे।